Today I'm going to show you how to fix KitchenAid Blender. It's a very common problem. As you can see, you probably have a problem with this similar to this. It breaks, it will not work. So we are going to place that part with this one. I show you where it is on eBay in link in description below. It's about $6 for that part. They will show you how to replace it. It's very simple. This is the second time I've ever done this. It's not a problem. You need flathead screwdriver. You put it in between the base and that little metal disc and you just pry it off. Just very simple. Put it in and turn the shaft every once in a while. Bend it up, and bend it up. Just like that. Takes a little bit of patience, but you will feel it move. Just like so. Now you may be saying, wait a minute, you're going to ruin this thing. It's not true. You are going to fix this thing because metal of disc is softer than the shaft. Shaft is a lot harder metal, so you will not be breaking the threads. But I am beginning to realize that I need maybe different screwdriver with better, how you say, leverage. So here we go, longer screwdriver. Watch this. 1, 2, 3. We're going to pop it off, just like that. Pop off and drop off. Just like that. Now there's little bits of metal. You do not want it in your skin. It hurts very bad. It will make you cry a tear of pain. So get vacuum cleaner and clean this up right away. Very important. Okay, we took care of that problem. Gonna get a little piece that is still hanging on there. Take it off, very careful. Do not get that in your skin, you'll bleed everywhere. Okay, now it's time to take a new part. If you want to look and see it, do not ruin the threads. Very nice. Put the new one on. This one does not go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. This goes lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. So it's more like Russian, you know, we do things differently there. Okay, so you put this on. I'm kidding, it's just not Russian, it's just the way they design it. Okay, so if you hand tighten it, it's a little bit loose. But it's not a big deal because when you put it on the blender, then it will work. But I use piece of metal, hold it a little bit tighter. But I show you one more trick. Once you get that on, then go ahead and plug in blender. Okay? We're gonna take this cord, plug it in, and then you hold it. It's going to spin out of your hand. Don't hold too tight. Turn on blender, and there you go. You're in business. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope that helped you fix the blender. KitchenAid. Why they made that part that way, I don't know. But hopefully video helped you. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Subscribe if you want more videos. Do svidania.